go.
How's my hair?
Good girl.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Oh, we're on. Hi, I'm Shay Renee.
And I am Elise.
And we are
Sounds of Poetry.
Sounds of Poetry is a unique blend of the violin, various sounds that the violin makes with the bow, as well as plucking the strings, and some other unique sounds we found as we create just a collaboration of music and
My poetry, which brings to life and with love and life experiences with her violin.
Maya has just a really unique way of creating her thoughts on paper, and then we sit down together and come up with ways that the instrument can complement the words that she's written. We hope you'll check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.